Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video going over some technical analysis. If this is your first video, I'd like to welcome you to the channel. Go ahead and subscribe and like and comment and all that jazz, and go check out all the other videos as well as my free chat room, which is the first link in the description. In today's video, we're going to be talking about volume, which is these little bars down at the bottom, and how it corresponds with trend lines and just price trending, right? So let's go ahead and get into it. It's a very easy lesson today. Most of all, the most important thing to note is not the color of the bar, but the size of the bar. The color of the bar corresponds with how the candle closed. So any red candle will be a red bar, any green candle will be a green bar. The size of the volume bar is actually what matters, because that's the total amount of buy or sell orders that came through. The big thing to remember is that as volume is increasing, the trend stays the same. As volume is decreasing, the trend typically reverses, right? So decreasing volume, the trend is going up, and then it reverses, right? So that leads us to the next big point in this quick little series. Decreasing volume with price increasing always will lead to a reverse. That can be seen very well in a couple different spots. This general area one is really good for it for a couple different reasons, right? So we see that the volume is decreasing, and then we see the volume pick back up. It keeps hitting higher highs all the way up as this trend is going up. So that's confirming that the volume is there. It's confirming that the trend is there, but then we hit this resistance point on the daily level, and volume starts to decrease, right? So we get the nice decreasing action. We see the volume kind of spiking back up. It's following the trend, and then it starts getting hit heavy, right? So the thing to remember and to keep in mind while you're making trades really is it's not necessarily to trade off of the volume, but it is to keep in mind that if you are trading and volume is going down while your price action is going up, right? So this is all just going down while the price is going up. That means that when it starts hitting these resistance levels, that price is going to free fall. Because what did we just learn? That as the price is decreasing and going up, it leads to increased volume with a spike down. So that's the number one thing to remember in this lesson, and it's really just a helpful tip just to keep in mind. I use it mostly for this exact example of increasing price with decreasing volume always leads to a drop down. So I hope you have a great rest of the day and that this video was helpful. I did launch the new advanced trading course for Chartpools. It launched today. It is on a 3-day pre-sale. It is the second link in the description. Please check it out if you are someone who has been struggling to make profit trading the past couple months or years and you're still not making consistent gains. Please check it out. If you want to be a good trader, also check it out. It's on sale 80% off for the first 3 days because I wanted to give the opportunity for you, the students, to be able to give feedback and me to be able to mold the course around you. So as new lessons are coming out, you're able to give feedback, and that's why the price is decreased. So hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.